Alright guys, I'm doing the exhaust leak. Diagnose the exhaust leak. In my previous videos is when it idles or when you press the gas it sounds like sluggish, sounds like a diesel truck. And I thought it would be like a timing guides or timing chains or something like that, or tensioners is loose, but I checked, I opened up the cover and it seems like everything is tight. So I hook up a vacuum, well, not a vacuum anymore, it's a blower to the tailpipe. It will pressurize the tailpipe to the system and to the manifold. So some people say take out the heat shield, it might be leaking from there, so I did take out the heat shield. And then I got the spray soap and water here. I'm gonna spray it before I start the vacuum or the blower. I mean, spray all the way there on the exhaust manifold, and then same thing on the flange gasket or donut gasket. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show it to you when it's when I turn on the blower. Alright, so let's go open that up, and I'll turn on the blower right now. I'm gonna leave this here, the video, and let you guys watch it. Oh, come on. I don't know how I'm gonna set it up. About there. How about there? Alright, I'm gonna turn on the blower now. It's gonna be loud. You can see that right there. It's just bubbling up. So right there. And then to the flange gasket. Oh my god. Look at that. So there you go, guys. That's what that diesel sound like. I guess just a exhaust leak, you know. Diesel engine sound on a car 4-cylinder. That's it.